This video now for those my men we be say then they quick they come. The gbola, the oversensitivity we did there. Na second to none. Before they just carry gbola and take because they don't come. If you are that kind of man, this video is for you. Watch to the end. You're welcome back to my channel, Susan Herbal Tips, where I give you some medicinal plants and living a healthy lifestyle. Today, I want to talk to those men where they suffer PE. Yes, now them I want to talk to today. You know, say we get different things where we take feed they stop that sensitivity. I don't talk about cream. I don't talk about different kinds of method. You can go and watch the video where I talk about some method where you go fit to use if you be the person where they quick they come. So today I want to teach us how we go take use clove to take delay say make you know the quick they come. You understand that? Okay. So now that one I want to talk today because I did talk and a lot of people don't understand the way I say make them take use them. Okay. Clove get that compound wey be say if you chew am with your mouth you no go get feeling for that place. So if you match am you fit bring out the oil wey dey the clove. Anything wey you want to beat am you take am beat am. Now that water wey dey come out for clove na we wan use today to take delay say make you know the quick they reach the land of no return. This thing they make so many men they vex. This thing they make so many women they vex. So even if you be woman, this video now for you so that you go feel help oga use them. Okay. So una know wetin be frenulum. Yes, this one. Okay. Una know say this kind thing e dey for gbola. The under of gbola. Okay. We see am. So even if na the cream now you won't apply. Now that frenulum, now you go apply them to. Some people go just rub them for the whole prick. No. Now that place, only the cap, not be the whole body. Now this frenulum, now that line, now you go drop this thing on. Okay, it's natural. Maybe with 2 or 3 cloves, you match it and you fit bring out the liquid. Take am knob arm, and when you put am for there, it go surround the whole cap. It go make that cap dey knob, so that whenever you want put am in, you go lost sensitivity there, and you get to do this thing maybe 15 minutes to 20 minutes before you want knack, so that it go feel work for you. Okay, so that is how you are going to do it. You are going to mash clove, CLOVE, or rather Google the picture of clove so you see it. You match it. It's natural. This now waiting old men, our olden days men they use even before we come to see all this oyibo medicine. So we get cream, we get different kinds of method we will use. Okay, so you match it, you put it in that place under the cap of your gbola to make sure say it go round down and it go make am come dey numb. It go make you feel knack for a longer time than the way it dey oversensitive before. This one self at times some men if they are you get the way their pants go take touch their gbola self, the sensitivity body go dey carry the sweet them. Okay, try out this method. If it no work for you, it no mean say it no dey work. Like I dey always dey talk, our body get the way them take they react to things. We get different body metabolism, so our body they react to things differently. So if it not work for you, it no mean say it no go work. I go still drop another method for another video. Meanwhile, go and watch the video where I drop 5 methods that you can be able to use to take they make your knacking this thing they did longer. When I know as we they talk I'm here when it comes to Susan Herbal Tips, especially the things of the other room, we they talk as it be. Remember guys, health is wealth. Don't auto-medicate and don't self-diagnose. Always seek the help of a doctor. And I will see you all again on my next one. Bye-bye.